Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is a quick tutorial on the 2025 Buick Envista. If you come back here and no matter what you do, if you push your button right there or you push the button on the bottom of the tailgate right there above the license plate bracket and it doesn't open, what do? Now, one little trick here is that you can always open it manually if you need to. If the battery died in your remote or on the vehicle itself, that's always an option. So it's not that you can't open it, but using the power functionality, here's what you need to do. If it's not opening, come here first and make sure that it's not set to off. You have max, 3/4, and off. I'm gonna set that to max. And then we're going to come back here one more time. I'm gonna do the same thing I just did. We're gonna hit the button right there and you'll see that that opens. So I hope that saves you some time. Hope this video was helpful to you. If there are any other tutorials you want, whether it's on the Buick Envista or any other vehicle, doesn't have to be a Buick, any make, model, whatever it is out there, let me know down in the comment section and I will make that tutorial for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.